Hey, this is Brad with Farmers Insurance, and this is episode 1 of the series Auto Insurance 101. And the topic for this video will be your liability protection on your auto insurance plan, aka your asset protection, which is quite possibly the most important number on your auto policy. So this number is going to be found at the top of your auto policy, probably next to the words bodily injury limit or protection, and it's going to be a number in the thousands or hundreds of thousands, or it could come across as a fraction. So the top number of this fraction is your legal limit protection that the insurance company is going to provide against you from one person and the other vehicle. Now the bottom number is the number that represents your legal protection against everyone in the other vehicle if they try to sue you. Now in Michigan, our state minimums are 20 over 40 or 20,000 over 40,000. But the most common fraction that we see come through is 100 over 300, 100,000 over 300,000, because that's the minimum requirement for lien holders and leasing companies in the state of Michigan. Now just because that's the minimum requirement does not mean that is the number that you should have. Let's break this down for you with that number, 100 over 300. So let's take that 100 over 300 number and make a small example out of it just so you have a better understanding of what it really means. Okay, so you're driving down the road and boom, you aren't paying attention and you accidentally hit another vehicle, and it's a family, it's got 3 people in it. So they're going to take you to court and try to sue you for everything you have. This is your protection. You have $100,000 worth of legal liability protection against each individual in this car accident. But overall, it can't go over $300,000. So let's say person's 1 claims were $50,000 in medical bills. So clearly, that didn't quite meet the $100,000 limit. So you're safe there. You don't owe anything yet. Now person's 2's medical bills have reached $200,000. Now this is over your $100,000 individual limit. So from this person, you're going to be responsible for a remaining $100,000. And now that we get to person 3, guess what? They've had $500,000 in medical bills. And you don't even get to reach their $100,000 single limit because you only have $50,000 left overall. So that leaves a remaining amount of $450,000 for that person alone, and a combined total of $550,000 that you'll be responsible for. Now, unless you have $550,000 in liquid assets, these people are going to sue you for your belongings, your home, your vehicles, everything that's worth any amount of money. And if you still don't have that amount of money, they're going to come after your future wages and your retirement income. So, what can we do to solve this? Well, there's a policy called a personal liability umbrella that'll blanket all of your policies with at least an extra $1 million worth of coverage. Now, if any of this was confusing to you, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be glad to go over it with you again, or let you know how affordable it really is to just increase your liability a little bit. It's not that scary. So that was the end of episode 1 on liability from the series Auto Insurance 101. Now stay tuned for episode 2 on collision. This is Brad Bell with Farmers Insurance. Thanks for watching.